Hi, I'm Lionel, this is TechLoto, and this is my review for the Fifine USB microphone K678. So today I'm going to cover the setup, the build of this microphone, the sound quality, and some of the applications where you could actually use this mic. So setting up is really simple with Mac and PC. It's literally the definition of plug and play. There are no drivers that you need to go and download to install. There's no additional software. Literally connect it by the USB. But first of all, let's just unbox this. It comes really well packaged, and you can tell by that alone that the company really does care about their products. As soon as you take it out, there's nothing that you have to connect or set up. You can just pull it out and it's all already set up for you. The first thing you notice is the weight of this microphone. It's very sturdy. It's got a really strong metallic body, and the black look on this microphone is really professional and it can fit in with any desk setup. It also has rubber stands on its feet so it doesn't scratch any of your surfaces. I guess this can also be beneficial when it comes to softening the sound if you're typing on your keyboard. So looking at the microphone itself, you notice that this is made for self-monitoring. You can see that it has the simple one-click mute button at the front of the microphone. Not only do you have a knob for controlling your microphone level, you also have a knob for controlling your headphone level. Yes, you're able to plug your earphones directly into this microphone. It might not seem like a big deal, but it genuinely is. This is beneficial for self-monitoring. At the bottom of the microphone, you have the option for a space where you could attach a mount to it. You also have a USB port for direct connection to your computer, and you have a 3.5mm headphone output. So basically you can connect your earphones to this. So I did a test. I wanted to compare it to this £400 condenser mic. Here's the unedited sound of the condenser mic. Hi, I'm Lionel, this is TechLoto, and this is my normal microphone. And here's the sound of the Fifine mic. Hi, I'm Lionel, this is TechLoto, and this is my vocal test for this microphone. Here's the edited sound of the mic in case you're doing a YouTube video. Hi, I'm Lionel, this is TechLoto, and this is my second vocal test for this microphone. And here's the edited sound of the condenser mic. Hi, I'm Lionel, this is TechLoto, and this is my normal microphone. Here's the sound of the condenser mic without noise. Hi, I'm Lionel, this is TechLoto, and this is my test for the condenser microphone. Here's the sound of the Fifine mic without noise. Hi, I'm Lionel, this is TechLoto, and this is my test for the USB microphone. And for this microphone, I actually did a real life functional test. I used it on a Zoom call, and after a 3-hour Zoom call, it was still cool to the touch. So this is really beneficial for people who are looking for a premium sound, but still want to keep a small footprint on their workspace. For me, it's ideal for when I'm having office meetings because it's out of the way, but connected to my computer. So people aren't seeing a massive condenser mic. And that's really beneficial because it means I can monitor my output. I can also monitor the volume of the person I'm speaking to, and when I connect the jack, everything on my computer comes out of here. So if I'm being honest, I'm really surprised about the quality of this microphone. I think it's ideal if you're working in a desk space. If I had a different setup where I had my desk in front of me and I was presenting my reviews in that way, this would probably be a more ideal microphone for me than the condenser mic. And what I really appreciate is how well the microphone picks you up without having to be close to it. That idea to connect the headphones to the microphone means that I don't have to be right next to my laptop. It gives me a bit more leeway. And the other thing about this microphone is that you can literally hear yourself from any angle. So it's not just from the sides, but the top as well. So you can really angle it and play with your sound without having to have a massive microphone right in front of your face. And it's really functional. I think if you're working at a desk and you're filming at a desk, or you're having your meetings in a desk space, then this is the ideal microphone for you. I genuinely hope you found this video helpful, and it'll be interesting to hear what you guys think about USB microphones because it's not something that I would have usually considered. I'm going to be testing this microphone over the next 2 weeks, so I'll do a more detailed video covering some more of the features and what it's like to use this microphone long term. So let me know in the comments if there are any other questions you have about the Fifine USB microphone.